Welcome back to Online Tools Master, your hub for the coolest online tools. Today we're diving into part 2 of our PNG Revealer series, the world's simplest online animated PNG reveal creator created by Browserling. If you missed part 1, make sure to check it out after this video. But for now, let's just jump straight into some new creative examples. To access PNG Revealer, just open your browser, type www.onlinepngtools.com, and head over to PNG Revealer. Here's the tool interface, same as last time, with all those handy options to customize your reveal animation. For our first example, we're creating a timed riddle, what has hands but can't clap? Here's the twist, the answer will only appear after a 20-second suspenseful wait. We're using the long wait reveal mode. Here's how we did it. We set the background to bisque, added our riddle text in Comic Sans MS Text, size 42, line height 60, and made the text bold. The total duration is 20 seconds, just 2 frames. One for the question, one for the answer. No looping, once you see the answer, that's it. For transparency, we use cyan, and there you have it, a perfect way to tease friends or engage social media followers with a brain teaser. When ready, click Save As to get your GIF. Next up, a stylish product reveal. We're using Pixel Dissolve to showcase a jewelry collection. Pixels gradually reveal the image in a classy, minimal style. So, here's what we did. We kept the background transparent, added new collection in monospace font, with the size and line height both set to 36. The animation lasts about 15 seconds, with 50 frames to keep everything super smooth. We looped it endlessly so the reveal just keeps repeating, and for the final GIF we used red as the transparency color. When you're ready, just click Save As to get your GIF. It's honestly perfect for online store banners, social media promotions. And for our last example today, something fun, a countdown reveal for a rocket launch. So, we used countdown reveal mode and a black background. The whole thing runs for 12 seconds with 11 frames, one for each countdown number plus the final rocket frame. It actually loops forever, so you can enjoy liftoff again and again. Oh, and the transparency color is set to cyan. When you're ready, just go ahead and click Save As to get your GIF. This could work brilliantly for event launches, live stream starts, or game announcements. So that's part 2 of our PNG Revealer series. In part 1 we covered puzzle reveals, fade-ins, and birthday greetings. Go watch it if you haven't yet. Also check out our other videos like how to change icon color online and how to make a WebP image transparent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more creative online hacks. See you next time.